Hello Ultimate Family, and welcome to our guide on how to use the Cricut Maker 3 to make your own custom personalized stickers at home. This tutorial will tell you everything needed to make stickers, along with a step-by-step guide of the process. To get started, you need to have your Cricut machine, Cricut software with a signed-in account, as well as an inkjet printer along with inkjet printable sticker paper. This can be found on Amazon or your local department store. Now that you have all of your necessary materials to make stickers, go to your computer and pick out your sticker. When you have your sticker image ready, open Cricut Design Space. If it's your first time opening the software, follow the on-screen prompts and connect your machine. You have already done that to save time. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Click the one that says Upload. Under the Upload section, select Image. Make sure your photo is supported by Design Space. Click Upload Image. Drag and drop your image or browse for it. Once your image is selected, click Select, and then you should see your image in the Design Space. On the right-hand side, you'll see three options. Click Complex. It offers the highest detail for your sticker. Click Continue. You will then see the crop and background remover tool. When you are ready, click Apply and Continue. Then select Print, then Cut. This allows you to print your sticker. Click Upload. Once the upload is completed, you will see your recent uploads. Select your image, then press Add to Canvas. You will then see your canvas. Proceed to size your image. Once everything is to your liking, press Make It in the top right. You will then be prompted to print the sticker. Print it and place the sheet on the mat. Place the mat into your Cricut and press Cut. The machine will find the proper positioning to cut the sticker accurately using the black lines on the edge of the paper. Afterwards, the Cricut will cut the sticker. Once completed, you can remove the mat from the Cricut and remove the sticker sheet. Congratulations! You have now created your own custom sticker that you made yourself at home with Cricut. We hope that we were able to guide you through this process. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.